not sure if you noticed, but it's snowing outside in Denver on this Friday morning, April the 18th, and we dropped temperatures from 77 degrees for a high yesterday down to 28. That's a 49-degree temperature drop in 18 hours. So again, 1 p.m. yesterday, 77 down to just 28 as of 7 a.m. this morning. Today, we're going to have light snow throughout the day. Could get some brief bursts of some heavier snow, but I think for the most part, we're not going to see much in the way of accumulation today. And I kind of told you about that. Reason being is that the sun angle this time of year, it's April the 18th, we're only about 2 months away from the summer solstice. So that sun angle is really high this time of year. That makes it very difficult for that snow to stick. It really has to hammer for it to stick during the day part hours this time of year. So our best window for snow will come tonight after dark. So after about, say, 7, 8 p.m., once that sun starts going down, temperatures will cool as well. That'll give us the best opportunity to get some of that snow to accumulate. It does look like most of the metro area sees a slushy couple of inches of generally lower impact snow. Roads should mostly stay wet in the immediate metro area, though we will see some slick spots, especially those side streets and north-facing areas, north-facing shaded areas as well. And then as we get into the foothills and the Palmer Divide, again, this has always been a foothills Palmer Divide storm. Boulder, Highway 93, kind of on west, that's where you start getting into the trouble zone of where we could be talking about 4 to 8 inches plus of snow. You get above 6,000 feet, and that's where you could be looking at the possibility for as much as double-digit snows. And final thing, remember, Taylor Swift style here, folks. Shake it off, shake it off, shake those trees in the foothills. That's where you could be talking about the potential for as much as, again, double-digit snowfall totals. And that heavy wet snow is going to really weigh down those trees, especially where you're starting to see those leaves come on out. Those leaves add surface area and more area for that snow to stick onto that further weighs down those branches. I am concerned about some snap branches in the foothills where you start seeing 5, 6, 7 inches of snow. That's where you're talking about that trouble zone. The snow wraps up by noon on Saturday. Forget about the Rockies game tonight. That's not happening, but tomorrow they'll probably be able to play, and I'll keep you posted with the latest on the snow.